Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So in this video I'd like to keep it very short because there has not been too much new price action since yesterday. However, I just would like to take the opportunity to reinforce here the price targets and just communicate the price targets again and what is necessary to now start to move actually to the upside, because this is in no way guaranteed. And it is still fairly uncertain, especially as the price action here, the structure is not ideal for a breakout to the upside. However, it's possible, and generally the structure looks better than what Bitcoin is currently producing. So, there's certainly a chance, and you want to know what the targets are, you want to know what are the critical support levels. So, the chance to rally in a wave 3 depends on the following factors. First of all, we need to hold above this yellow box generally, right? So we have to hold at the least above 1130 to imminently allow for a move to the upside. Should we lose the 1130 level, then there's a risk that we lose 1075, and then we go down to $1,000. If we break below $1,000, it will open the doors to lows below the June low, which means something around $650 most likely. So 1130 needs to hold. As long as 1130 holds, then in the very short term, it would also be good, by the way, to hold here the $1,200 level, let's say 1207, the low here from yesterday, because then this imminent 1-2 setup could play out. We have 5 waves up here, we have 3 waves down, 3 waves down, ABC, and this should hold, and then if it holds, then we can move up in a third wave. Now, what would be needed to do that? Well, ideally, we want to rally now, and that would be the confirmation. We want to rally above this resistance area. Well, it starts actually at the B wave high here from the 12th of November at 1284, and it goes up to 1292, basically the wave 1 high. As soon as we break above that level, it would indicate that we are rallying in a third wave in yellow. So I can give you a target for the third wave in yellow, because we have here on the chart a possible 1-2 setup. That would imply we are now in the third wave, and the third wave consists of 5 subwaves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's take a look at first maybe the target for the red wave 3, that is the higher level, higher degree wave 3 if it plays out. Target for that would be, so we're looking at the 1.618 extension at least, that's around 1610. Yeah, it would be a third wave in red, the higher degree wave. And then in terms of just the lower degrees, here the yellow structure, we are looking at a target of around $1,400. That fits quite well. That is also here the 1.618 extension. And then we would move up once more in a wave 5. Now we don't know yet if this will only be the first wave of the third wave, or maybe it will be a very short third wave in red, we will see. But this is sort of the targets that we can measure at the moment based on the current price action. It would be absolutely important to break above this 1291 level, and of course then in the very short term hold here the 1207 level, because if it doesn't hold this 1-2, then it's going to subdivide lower, and it's not over then, because it can still hold here the, let's say there's even here this support level at 1174, but when this holds, then we drop down to 1130. We still have a chance, but breaking each of these support levels will reduce the likelihood for a fast breakout. Okay, and that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.